I don't know how good lighting is, but I've been working on my little brother's truck, using putting bigger speaker wire. He's running 8-gauge speaker wire now. He still needs a new amp, a better box. When I get my 0-gauge in, we're gonna be working on the big 3 for it. Plans on upgrading his battery soon. And he plans on adding 3 more 12s, which I keep trying to talk him into getting better ones, but I don't know how well that's gonna work. But it's doing a little bit better with the bigger speaker wire in it or whatever, because he was running, I think it was like 12-gauge, and I went ahead and gave him some of my 8-gauge so that, I don't know, just to help him out because I'm a good guy. But anyways, I got a few unboxing vids coming up here pretty soon. I just wanted to let everybody know what was going on with it. Kind of got like 2 little projects going on, my little brother's truck and my truck, trying to help him out so he don't fuck nothing up or anything. But I guess I'm gonna let you guys hear some Workout by Young Jezzy. I don't know, I just seen it and it sounds like it's gonna hit pretty good. But anyways, let's do it.
Gucci. See the Workout. Yeah. What's up, Jason? Fat boy. Black Shield Bridge Squad. Word. Tell him to shout over the straight. Huh? Gucci. See the Workout. Yeah.
Alright, never mind. I'm gonna change that. It's not a very good song. All that for nothing. I'm using my little brother's MP3 player. This one right here gets down.
Plaza.
You got a little bit of